Hey, future Larry here. I was unclear on the original video here. I actually mixed two concepts up and it wasn't clear. So I wanted to clarify and replace that little section. Um, how much and how many are asked in one way? Because it's how many dollars, how many cents. So how much, as opposed to how much, um, how much do you need? Like, I don't know, how much landfill do you need? Lot, little, what? So that's what I meant of the difference between how much and how many in terms of asking for how much money something costs or how much does it cost. It's how many, right? Because we're counting dollars, we're counting cents. Um, the the difference with that is, I'm sorry, get to the right slide, is that the nouns, or the word much and many, as opposed to how much and how many, are how many and many. Ooh. As if you're holding a whole bunch of paper clips and you throw them all down. So, how much? A lot, much, many. So, much, many, a lot of volume, many in counting. And then, how much does it cost? How many dollars do you need to buy this? Right? So, hopefully, that's a clarification of much, many, how much, and how many. You can also do how much if you're asking specifically about volume. But if you're talking about like how many tablespoons of something, it would be how many. How many? Okay. Hopefully that clarifies. Is a little bit better than the last explanation I had.